Hi everyone, this is Nicole Orzechowski, Marketing Director here at Dunwoody Dental Smiles. Today I'm going to walk you through how to do online payments with our website. Your first step is going to be to go to dunwoodydentalsmiles.com. Once you are here, you're going to go to Payments, go down to Payment, click on that. You'll be brought to this screen. You'll see this button here that says Pay Here. When you go over it turns blue. Go ahead and click on that. In a new tab, you'll be brought to this screen. Go ahead and enter your full name, email, and cell phone number. Once you have all three complete, full name, email, and cell phone number, go ahead and hit enter. You'll be brought to this screen that says you're going to get a text message. Check your text message and enter the code you receive in the text message. Hit verify number. We'll bring you to the screen that says your invoices. I currently only have one. If you have multiple, it will show. It says your appointment date. This is my balance after my insurance came through. I have 1 cent due. I'm going to click pay online. It will bring you to this next screen and you can go ahead and enter your card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit code on the back. Once you're all complete, hit send payment. It's that simple. If you have any other questions, please give our office a call at 770-399-6799.